how to fix Valorant client problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just type here background apps, and now just make sure to turn off all those background apps just by turning off the first option, and then type here device manager, click on it, and now once you're here, just click display adapters, make sure to update all those adapters here, all those drivers, and also update network drivers and processor drivers, and that's it. If you want to update it, it's easy, right click, update, and search automatically for drivers, and that's it. Make sure your driver is updated, and then just restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.